Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at this particular week, what we have seen that the price is in the green side. Okay, and what we have seen that it has made a low of around $2.461 and a half around 2.662, which is trading at. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, there is a pattern has formed where I have already told you that if the price sustain above a level of $2.39, chances are high that it can go towards a level of $2.9. Okay, and if the price sustain above that level, we can see it can go further upside. This is the range where the price of natural gas is moving for so long. Okay, a zone of $3 and $2. If you look at this particular chart from 3 weeks, previous 3 weeks, for if we talk about the month, 3 weeks, there is continuous downfall. Okay, and after that, this particular week only we have seen there is an upside. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, this is the 3 zone high. Okay, 3 zone high, where the price if sustained, then only we can see it can go further upside. Otherwise, there is not a probability that it can go further upside. Okay, first it has to go above a level of $2.774. Okay, and this particular $2.774 is a resistance. Once sustained, then you can see a U pattern will form, which will indicate that this particular this will act as a support, and when the price can go further upside. Okay, now for second thing you have to note here is that the gap is still pending, which is once the price move above a level of 3.9, then this situation will come where the price of 4.1 to 4.35 where it can go. The third, which is the important thing that you have to note, that whenever after the pandemic, what the situation was such that whenever it's hitting its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall is coming. Okay, and this sharp fall is being 10, 20 to even 50 to 100% previous high. Okay, so probability, what you can see that suppose if this level sustain. So before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full videos to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, it can go towards a level of around $2.742. Okay, and if the price sustain above this level, because this is the level where we can see that once the price sustain above this level, we can see a level of 2.786. Okay, so this is the support. Once the price move above this level, this will act as a support. As of now, it is a resistance. Okay, so once it move above this level, then what you can say that if will sustain above that level, it can cross a level of $2.815 and can go towards a level of 2.961. Okay, this 2.961 is already being half this particular support. Okay, so once it sustain this level, we can see it will touch a level of the $3.053. Okay, so there will be a zone breakout will happen if the price sustain this level. Yes, there is a high chances. So it will touch after that $3.36 to a level of $3.36 to a level of $3.5, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 3.984. You have to keep it in mind that once started sustaining above 3, chance of touching all these levels will be on a higher side. But now, as I have already explained you that market is always uncertain. If you look at this particular zone also, there are a lot of volatility we have seen. So the market is uncertain. Always set your SL. Okay, always set your limit. Why? Because you have to understand the limit for a particular trade, day, week, all these things. Why? Because these, what will happen with this, that you will save your capital as well as your profit. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, the next support coming at a level of around $2.576. Okay, so if the price move below this level, then only we can see it can move further down. Okay, but if it sustain, and we can see a bounce back can come. But suppose if the level didn't sustain, it can move further low towards a level of $2.32. And if the price fall below that particular level, it will fall below a level of $2.125, and it will touch a zone of around $2.048. $2.048 is a weak resistance, weak support. Okay, so once the price fall below $2.048, we can see it can touch a level of around $1.932, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around 1.793. okay, and if the price fall below this level, we can see it can touch a level of $1.653 and then further low if the price didn't sustain. Okay, now you have to remember something, that whenever, suppose if you are in a profit of $1,000 or whatever amount, X amount, $500, once it comes down to 80%, exit the trades for the day for that particular trade, or your overall profit comes down to 80% or 70%, so that your profit should not be wiped out. Okay, and as well as your capital, so that you can take your profit at home. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.